Mercury doesn't have a moon. This makes it very different from just about every other planet in the solar system, with the exception of Venus, which also has no natural satellites. However, in the early 1970s, astronomers thought it might have had a moon. Instruments on board NASA's Mariner 10 spacecraft detected large amounts of ultraviolet radiation that some astronomers thought was radiation coming from a celestial body orbiting Mercury. It was later discovered that what was detected was actually a distant star, leaving Mercury a lonely planet. Mercury has water ice on its surface. The idea of water ice being discovered on Mercury's surface may sound surprising, given that it is the closest planet to the Sun, but it has been detected using Earth-based radar imaging and confirmed by NASA's Messenger spacecraft. The only locations on the surface where this is possible seems to be near the poles, where the floors of some craters might be deep enough to permanently shade the ice. Scientists believe that the ice got there either by meteorite bombardment or planetary outgassing. Mercury has more craters and impact marks than any other planet. Mercury is very similar to the Moon in that it is covered in deep craters that scar its surface. Unlike most planets, it isn't geologically active and does not have much of an atmosphere. This means that craters can be preserved throughout time without being eroded away like most of the old craters on Earth. The largest crater or basin on Mercury is the Caloris Basin, which is around 960 miles in diameter and was discovered by NASA's Mariner 10. Mercury owns the biggest man-made crater in space. In 2014, NASA's Messenger probe ran out of fuel after orbiting Mercury for around 4 years. Because the probe could no longer correct its course, NASA used the craft's last reserves of helium gas coolant to steer the Messenger out of orbit and on a collision course with Mercury's surface. It began to get closer to the planet and rapidly pick up speed. Eventually, in April 2015, the Messenger probe smashed into the surface of Mercury at a speed of 8,750 miles an hour, creating a 50-foot wide crater. This explosive scar is the biggest man-made crater anywhere in the universe that's not on Earth. Mercury is the least explored planet. As of 2015, Mercury is the least explored inner planet within our solar system. So far, only the Mariner 10 and Messenger missions have been sent to make close observations of the mysterious planet. In 1973, Mariner 10 was launched by NASA to make multiple flyby encounters of Venus and Mercury. Mariner 10 provided the first detailed data of Mercury, mapping 40 to 45% of the surface. Then, more than 30 years later, the Messenger spacecraft was sent. Its instruments yielded significant data, including a characterization of Mercury's magnetic field and the confirmation of water ice at the planet's north pole, plus much more. The next mission to Mercury will be launched in 2017 and is consisting of 2 satellites, each designed for a distinct purpose. I really hope you enjoyed these 5 interesting facts about Mercury. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you want to watch some more, then why not choose one of these 2 videos showing on your screen now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.